All right, welcome to the Spa Social Beat. I am here with my Post with Purpose business partner, Danielle, and we have an incredible tip for you today. So, how many of you have spent so much time writing your beautiful caption, putting your emojis in, doing all the spacing? You post it on Instagram and it's all clumped together and you're like, "Oh no, it looks so strange like that." We have a solution for you.
Yes, nothing
for that
than spending the time crafting this beautifully well thought out long form caption that you actually really took the time to put together, and then it just doesn't read the way you want it to read. So there's an app for that, and it's called Spacie. SPACIE. And when you type your caption into Spacie, it will keep all of your line breaks. It will keep the clean organization of your post just in the way that you intended it to be. And it does all its magic on the back end to make sure that the spacing computes over on Instagram, because I don't know what it is about Instagram's interface, but it's like you have to use dots and you can't use emojis at the end of sentences. And there's all these rules to make sure that your spacing sticks. And I mean, who has time for that?
So you're welcome. That is oh my gosh, that was such a stress for me, because we, on our Instagram, I know, Danielle, you make everything sound so beautiful. We use our spreadsheet, the same one that we have in Post with Purpose, where we're teaching you how to do a month of content in 2 hours, 2 to 3 hours, depending on how fast you write. And so we have that all mapped out, but then I just randomly sometimes will go on there and post things and write captions, and I do it directly in the app and post it. And I was like, crap, what happened? And then it was like, okay, no, we need to figure this out. So Spacie is the solution. It's super easy to use. So go and check that out.